In this video, I'm going to talk about whether you can undo a repost on TikTok. The answer is yes, you absolutely can. Let me explain how. Recently, TikTok launched a repost feature. This allows you to share a specific TikTok video with your followers without downloading or re-uploading the content. To use it, simply tap the share button below the comments on the video you want to repost. Then, tap the repost button. Once you do, it will say reposted, and you can even add a comment or thought to let your followers know why you're sharing it. But what if you accidentally repost a video and want to undo it? Don't worry, it's easy. To remove a repost, tap the share button again. This time, you'll see an option that says Remove Repost. Tap on it, and a message will appear, letting you know that removing the repost will also delete any message you added. If you're okay with that, tap Remove. Once you do, it will confirm that your repost has been removed. That's it. Straightforward and simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Take care.